If you're bored with the default Submit button appearing at the bottom, then we have some news for you. With WP Fluent Forms, you can now style and place your own Submit buttons. Click on the Add a New Form button on the top of the All Forms tab. Select the form you need from the pre-built form templates on the pop-up window. Bring any change if you need. Now go to the Advanced Fields and scroll down to the Custom Submit button. Drag and drop it on the form. You will notice the default Submit button has disappeared. Now hover over it and click on the Edit icon. See if you are happy with the default Submit button, or you would rather have an image for a button. If you are going with the default Submit button, then maybe you would like to customize the button text. Or if you are going with an image, you will have to submit button image URL in the field. Choose your button style from the drop-down menu. You will have the default option and a selection of colors. If this doesn't work for you, you can choose Custom and set the background color, text color, and the border color yourself. You can also define the border radius and the minimum width. You can also define these for the hover state in the adjacent tab. Choose your button size from large, medium, or small. Next, align your button to the left, right, or center. In the Advanced Options panel, you can define the container class and element class to apply custom CSS. You can deploy conditional logic if you wish. We have a separate tutorial on conditional logic. The link is given in the description box. Don't forget to click the Save Form button, or all your hard work will go in vain. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.